The next thing I'll show you is how to connect beams and columns using the Autodesk Revit extension. This can be downloaded from the Autodesk website where you downloaded the Revit program for the student version, and under the Autodesk Revit there's an option called Download Revit 2013 Extensions. Click on here and continue to download and follow the instructions to get the extension into your Revit program. So using this extension we're able to connect a column and a beam with a real connection created by this extension. To do that, holding down Control, I can select my column and my beam, and then under the Extensions tab, which you should now have after downloading the extensions, you have an option called Steel Connections. If we select the beam to column connection, you will find Revit will give you a dialog box. Okay. This dialog box, you more or less follow step by step. So you've got the geometry, you can say it's a bolted or a welded connection. You can choose the plate for the bolted connection. You can choose the dimensions of the plate based on your calculations you have made. Same with the brackets, you can choose the type of brackets. And you can also put in the dimensions again from the calculations you've made by hand. Also the bolts, the type of bolts, the class, the spacing, stiffeners, whether or not you'll have a stiffener within your connection, and your welds, the distances, the bracket welds, whatever you need for your connection. So here you're actually giving the specific information of your steel connection. Once you're happy with it, select OK. And Revit will have created a connection for you. I'll put this in hidden lines so we can see our connection. I would recommend doing, depending on how many connections you have to make, only do a few and then take your details or callouts, which I will teach you in the next lesson, from those connections if you don't have time to do them all.